I'm Todd Whited, GM at MagTorch, and today I wanted to talk to you about how to pick the right torch for the right job. First, there is flame profile. So whether you're doing a smaller job such as searing the end of a nylon line, all the way up to when you're doing a larger soft solder, you can choose multiple different flame types, which are available on our package and also at magtorch.com. Next is you want to consider how much heat output and what fuel you want to use. So if you want to use a lower temperature fuel and a smaller flame, you have your choice of butane. You can step up to our utility fuel, which is propane, or you can go up to our MAP Pro fuel, which is our hottest temperature fuel that has the most amount of heat transfer to your workpiece that you're working on. Also consider the body style, where you're going to actually grip and hold and use the torch while you're doing the job that needs to be done. Everything from our pistol grip, instant on and off torch, to where you're holding a torch in our general purpose propane cylinder, where you're actually holding the cylinder as you're doing your work. Our butane torches come in several different configurations. The one I'm showing you here is a pistol grip, where you're holding that in your hand and you're able to get very close to your workpiece. Also consider what type of ignition that you're comfortable working with. We have everything from our manual lit torches, where you open the valve and you need an external flame source to light the torch, to our trigger start torches, where you turn the valve open and you pull the trigger, or push the trigger in this case, to ignite the flame. We also have our top of the line MAP Pro torch that is an instant on and off, where you pull the trigger, you have the flame, you release the trigger, the flame extinguishes. And I'd also like to talk to you about thinking about where and how you're going to be using your flame. Will you be inverted when you're using your flame to do the job that needs to be done? Or can you use the torch in an upright fashion? Your packaging and magtorch.com will call out those torches that you can use inverted and those that you can use in an upright position. Please consider all these things while you're trying to get your job done with all your MagTorch products. And if you need any more information, please visit us on magtorch.com.